Remember when getting a professional headshot meant booking a photographer, finding the right outfit, and hoping you didn't blink at the wrong moment? That's over. AI can now turn a casual photo into a professional profile picture in seconds. No studio, no photographer, no awkward poses. There are specialized AI apps designed for this. Apps like Headshot Pro, ProfilePicture.ai or Aragon AI. They will charge you anywhere between $10 and $50 to generate professional headshots. Upload a few photos, wait a bit, and you get polished results. But here's what most people don't realize. AI tools we are already using are getting remarkably good at it. ChatGPT, and in particular Google Gemini after their Nano Banana update. These tools can transform a decent casual photo into something you'd be happy to use on LinkedIn or in a job application. Let me show you how simple this is. Just take a decent photo of yourself, decent lighting, facing the camera, nothing too cluttered in the background, and then you uploaded it and you use a prompt like this. Please transform this photo into a professional LinkedIn profile picture. Keep my natural appearance, but enhance the lighting, remove any background distractions, and create a clean, professional look suitable for a business profile. That's it. A few seconds later, you've got options. Now, let's be clear about what this means. This isn't about creating fake personas or misleading people about what you actually look like. It's about presenting yourself professionally without needing expensive equipment or technical skills. Think about who this helps most. Someone early in their career who can't afford a professional headshot. A freelancer pivoting to a new industry. Anyone who's ever felt their profile picture wasn't doing them any justice. This is democratization in action. The same way AI is democratizing access to legal advice, coding, and data analysis, it is now democratizing professional imagery. But here's my advice. Keep it authentic. The goal isn't to look like a different person. It is to look like the best version of yourself. If you show up in an interview not looking anything like your AI-enhanced photo, you defeat the purpose. Use AI to clean up the background, improve the lighting, maybe adjust the framing. Don't use it to change your fundamental appearance. The technology is there, the tools are mostly free, and the barrier between you and a professional online presence just disappeared. The question is, what's stopping you from updating your profile picture you've been putting off for years?